My name is Joey Minorca, ICTP. So I'm going to teach you how to assemble the assembled system unit. Disassembling the computer system. Undo the screw on the back of the case. Remove the cover. Move power connectors and connected to the motherboard. Now remove the screw of the power supply at the back of the cabinet. Easily remove the power supply. Remove SATA cable. Remove the memory module. Remove the screw that holds the card in place. Then remove the video card. Remove front panel connectors. Unscrew the hard disk drive. Unscrew the screws that hold the motherboard. The motherboard with the processor built-in. Video card. Random access memory. Hard disk drive. SATA cable. Assembling the computer system. Motherboard is the fixed vertical in the tower case. The screw is the fixed from behind the motherboard. Tighten the motherboard with screw. Now line up the power supply with the back and the cabinet and screw it. The power connectors from the motherboard power supply are to be connected. Mount the memory module in the motherboard by aligning the RAM to its socket. Connect the front panel connector to the motherboard. Front panel USB port. Front panel audio port. Install the video card to the PCI expansion slot in the motherboard. Tighten with a screw. Place the hard disk drive on the disk drive. Tighten with a screw. Put the SATA power connector to the hard disk drive. Connect the SATA cable in the hard disk drive. Then the motherboard. Cover the tower pressing in the tower front inside and screw it.
Fire when the storm hits you. That's it, friend? Yes.
Maybach music.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, friend? Yes.
Maybach music.
Murder on call with the fight now. 20 years and it seemed like a lifetime. I've been hanging every day from a lifeline. Why these fuckers tell her dinner every night time?
Maybach music.